Hey everybody, this is Blogger Babe, Sugar Babe, Kiana. I am going to create my minimalist pocket page in the grid that I explained. So basically, I'm starting with a 12 by 12 transparent. I am going to create the 3 by 4 journal card size, like I explained, and then I will stop talking. I'm not going to talk through this whole video, and then I'll just let you watch the process. So the quickest way is to actually just take a 3 by 4 card out of one of the kits. So I'm using LJS's Fragile Like a Bomb. I love this kit so much, and I'm just going to create a empowerment page for my daughter. So it's already in 900 by 1200 pixels, 3 by 4 card. And basically I'm just going to line them up, duplicate them to create my rows. If you create how many you want, select all of them, and then I'm going to actually use distribute vertically, or you use distribute horizontally. So I'm going across the page, and then it will just line them right up. So I will do that, and then basically I'm just going to copy them, make sure no holes are showing. These need to go down. Alright, that's it. So now I have the 12 spots in my grid. They're all the same size. I can clip papers to these. I can clip photos to these, replace them with other cards. So that's what I'm going to do, and I'll show you my minimalist page. If I can do it, I'm going to try to do it. I know that I'm going to want to add more things on top, and I may do that after. But I'm going to try to do it as minimalist as my brain and my artistic creativity will allow. So thank you guys for watching. I hope this helps, and yeah, we'll see you next time.